Witness the fusion of engineering precision and artistic flair in the world of CNC with us here at Design to Product Limited. Here, engineers and artists unite, employing CNC machines not just for function, but for creating stunning artworks. From sophisticated sculptures to complex geometric patterns, each piece is a testament to the meticulous engineering and creative vision behind it. The journey begins with detailed engineering plans. Artists and engineers work together, programming CNC machines to bring these elaborate designs to life. It's a showcase of precision. Every curve and angle crafted by CNC machines reflects a high level of technical skill and artistic insight. This is where traditional engineering transcends its limits, blending seamlessly with the realm of artistic creation thanks to CNC technology. Join us in celebrating this extraordinary blend of engineering and art, where CNC technology opens new horizons of creativity. Currently, we are now in direct connections with 700+ CNC centers globally. If you're interested in getting a quote, we offer a low-price quotation for CNC and 3D through booking a meeting with the Calendly link listed in this video.